This demonstration reviews how to configure settings for Applet Setup in Take Control Plus. Upon login, navigate to the Profile menu and select Applet Setup. The Settings tab is selected by default. Replace the default file name in Take Control with your brand name. Select Delete the applet after the session ends to remove the applet from the Downloads folder at the end of the session. Configure the applet behavior under Additional Settings. Select Remove the remote desktop's background automatically to reduce bandwidth usage during support sessions. Select Always try to run with administrator privileges, where applicable, to grant the technician user account control permissions while resolving customer issues during a session. When finished, click the Save button to save the changes. Navigate to the Terms of Service tab. Click Load Default to use the default terms of service. Click Save. Click on the Initial Form tab. Toggle the Enable Initial Form switch to On. Check the box for Submit Timeout, and type the length of time in seconds to display the form on the customer's screen. Custom fields can be added to capture any other specific data required. Select options in the Mandatory Fields section that a customer will be required to provide before submitting the form. Click Save to retain your settings. Click on the Messages tab. Customize the customer message to be displayed when the customer sends a support request. Modify the default message in the space provided. There is an option to customize a message while the customer awaits technician response, by modifying the default message in the space provided. To avoid ending up with several missed sessions, specify how long it will take for the session to time out if the technician does not respond. Specify the message that will be displayed to the customer. When finished, click the Save button to save the customizations. Configure the Weak Profile on the Warnings tab. The Weak Profile defaults to allow connections at any time. Click on a time to exclude it from remote availability. In this example, we will enable the No Connection section and enter a message to display to the clients if a session unexpectedly disconnects. Click Save.